Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to be covering the bell tower of Giotto's Bell Tower in Florence, Italy. This tower is part of the Duomo complex, so you've got the Duomo, the baptistry and of course the Giotto's Bell Tower, which is the huge structure that towers above the Duomo. It's a beautiful walk up the tower, as you'll see in the following video, but I just wanted to give you a bit of background info as to how to get tickets and the best way to get those. So to get tickets, the best way is definitely to book them online. You can find a full article on this that I did on my website at Artisan Traveller. Look in the description box below and you'll find a direct link to that article. But just to give you an idea on pricing, it's €15 for all three attractions. So that includes the Duomo, the Giotto's Bell Tower and also the baptistry. Well worth it in my opinion, and definitely worth getting it online. If you are heading to Florence and you want to visit all three attractions, definitely check out that link. It'll give you all the information you need and you won't have to queue up or anything, so it's perfect. So anyway, the following video you'll see what it's like inside the bell tower, the views, little bits of information that are quite useful. So yeah, enjoy. So this is what it looks like inside Giotto's Bell Tower. This same staircase is exactly like the one you'll find in the Duomo. There's 414 steps in Giotto's Bell Tower and 463 in the Duomo. So make sure you've got a good level of fitness and no kind of claustrophobia issues or heart problems, things like that. Also, don't block the stairs. If you want to sit down, there's a viewing deck just above. In fact, there's two stages where you can sit down and relax between climbs, so it's really easy. When we made the climb, it was mid-July and it was really hot. So thankfully the stage between 2 and 3, the staircase wasn't too bad and the steps weren't as punishing as 1 to 2. The view from here is just amazing, and you've got old artifacts like the old bells that used to be a part of the bell tower, and you can see below and above to the next stages. Incredibly, some people actually turn back at the second stage. So after climbing 414 steps in heat of over 30 degrees, everyone at the top was just absolutely exhausted. They were taking an opportunity just to chill out, sit down, take a drink before going out onto the viewing deck. But the view outside is just insane. So after taking in the most spectacular views of Florence, the Duomo, the skyline, it's time to descend. Descending isn't too bad. We didn't actually encounter that many people coming in the opposite direction, and it felt a lot less claustrophobic. And also, you don't have to walk upstairs, which is even better. At the end, there's a gift shop where you can buy souvenirs of your time here at Giotto's Bell Tower, and also general souvenirs for your time in Florence. It's definitely worth checking this attraction out. I highly recommend it, and especially with the multi-ticket option. So thank you for watching my video today. I really appreciate it. All the support for this channel is just amazing. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the red subscribe button just at the bottom. Also, you can follow me on social media. All my links are in the description box below, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.